Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's December 17th, 2022. We're going to talk about Ethereum today. I'm going to give out a very important price prediction for Ethereum and how you may want to get your money out the market right now. Why? Well, because price is forecast to go lower. Let's talk about it. You guys can see real quick on this particular chart that I did a price prediction in Ethereum all the way back here on November 29th, looking for the market to go up. I did an update video on December the 9th, and I was still looking for price in Ethereum to ride up higher, and it did right here on these 2 days. December 13th and 14th, it did not come all the way up here to $1,400. The market only topped out up here around $1,352.70. So I'm quite sure I had that as a price prediction. Just go back and see my video on November 29th to get my price targets, because that was around 12% right here that we could have received in the market for Ethereum. So congratulations to those who was able to profit off that market move, because things has changed drastically. I'm here to talk about it. So first of all, I'm going to zoom out the price chart and look at this on a daily chart, and I want you all to see how this horizontal line down here was being seen as area support, meaning that buyers were coming in and buying up Ethereum at this price level. But then yesterday, the market in Ethereum came and broke that level to the downside. That is a negative thing. That means that the buyers did not come through. The buyers did not buy Ethereum right here on this line to where they did previously. Like we can see it all the way back in September, October timeframe, that buyers were propping up the price in Ethereum. But now, just yesterday, we saw a massive spread bar down with this is a decent amount of volume coming in right there on yesterday's volume. So we need to be prepared for this. The second negative thing is that price in Ethereum closed below our trend line. Okay, now this takes us all the way back to 2020 to where this trend, the market action in Ethereum was bullish. Well, now we are trading back below that line. That's something that we don't want to see if we're looking for a price point to come in and buy Ethereum. So if these two things are seen as negative, we need to start switching over our mentality and saying, well, okay, cool. The market is still prepared to go lower. Now, I want you all to see something though, because even though the market is prepared or is looking like it's trying to go to the downside, it doesn't mean that it's going to go a lot lower than maybe $1,000, maybe $1,100, because we already have some areas that Ethereum has came and maintained support. Okay, namely on these days, on November 21st, 22nd, even in the beginning of November, the market action in Ethereum came down to around $1,100. That's the first area that we need to be prepared to see price go. And then that second area is going to be where we were, I would say, in the summer months of 2022, around $1,050. Okay, so let me show you on a different time frame. So this is Ethereum right here on the 2-day chart, and this massive spread bar tells me that, yeah, the market action is weak, and that we may need to be prepared to see price in Ethereum to continue to go down. Okay, that's on the 2-day chart, and here it is on the 3-day. Okay, so we have 7 hours left in the market in Ethereum to complete on that current 3-day price bar, but this is another indication that tells me that price action in the market, that the greatest opportunity for price to go to, for price to move, is to the downside. So I'm just going to come through, drop another price prediction. You know how I do, real simple and real easy. It doesn't have to be complicated, and just to ensure that we are in position to capitalize off of the price moves. So let me go ahead and put this on the chart. Like I said, we're going to look for the market action in Ethereum to go lower, and that area of resistance is going to be around 1250, but I'm going to take it up a little bit higher and give us a little bit of cushion right there around $1,290. Okay, now let's go to these price targets real quick. Okay, now that first price target, you guys can remember I told you it's going to be here around $1,080. Okay, it's going to be my first price target, and I'm looking for this to kind of play out in the next 5 days, maybe even on a weekly time frame. I'm going to see that. I'm going to look at that in a minute. And then that's my first price target right here. Let's just say $1,100. First price target is going to be around $1,100 for Ethereum there. My second one is going to be around 1,050. That's around 11% move to the downside. And my third one's going to be around 1,000 even. Okay. So let me extend this over a little bit. Let's give the market some days to actually play this out. And then look at this on the weekly chart. Okay. So yeah, I'm not going to be too bullish. I mean, I'm not going to be too massively bearish or looking for the price action in Ethereum to go massively to the downside right now. But we're definitely going to experience, I think, from the price action, the market and Ethereum going a little bit lower. Now, oh yeah, before I go, let me show you this. I do see that buyers are here. So this will be the only thing that will go against my price prediction, is us noticing buyers continue to hold Ethereum right there around $1,160. I can see that. So that's the thing that will go against me in my forecast of us looking for Ethereum to go lower. We all can see that. So before you drop a comment and saying that the market in Ethereum did not go down, that would be the reason why right here. I can see that already. So give me your thoughts, hit that like button, and also subscribe to the channel to get more simplistic understanding of how price action works and how you and I can both be in position and capitalize off of the price move way before anyone else.